Hello friends, so this is the unboxing video for Macbook Air M2 16GB 256GB. I already had opened this box, so this was how it is. In the box you will find this. Let me put this aside. I already have opened this box, but for unboxing purpose let me open it again. So there was some puja has been done. It's not from Apple, it's from our side. So this is how it is. So you can say the month of manufacture is May 2023. Yeah. And this 16GB model for 16GB 256GB, they have to bring it from overseas because it was not either it was not available, or so whatever the reason, they had it manufactured and import from overseas. So there was a delay of 2-3 days, but within the stipulated time frame they have delivered. Side, and yeah, this is how it is. You will find this is kind of bluish black color. Looks nice. In the box you will find this matching cable, USB-C to this lightning adapter, and there's some regular Apple docks, and then the adapter. This is I think 30-watt adapter. Okay, so let me put this over here. Okay, so this was the first unboxing video. I will update with more videos as I get some some more details, and I will start working on this machine. So I will give you guys some more detail. As of now it looks nice.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Thanks for watching, guys. Keep subscribing, keep watching the videos. Thanks a lot.